After that, we need to insert the model. So click here and then make sure to have your part here listed. If not, select browse and navigate until you find it. Then select refresh. Then you will find all these views. For now, I'll select the right view and then hit the escape button on the keyboard. Then make sure to have the view selected. Then select shaded with edges. I need this to be a little bit bigger, so I'll go down until I find scale, and I will set this instead of 1 to 100 to 1 to 50. After that, I need an isometric view, so we'll find isometric here, drag it, and once again make sure to select shaded with edges, and I need to increase this scale, but this time I will set it to 1 to 75. Now the purpose of this drawing is just to assign names, so I will use the letter P for the plates. So now I will start from the bottom up. So go to drawing and then select detail view. Zoom in and select the base. Drag it somewhere here. So this is A and this is A. And here we have the scale. I need to increase the scale. So I want this to be 2 to 50. Now go to annotation, select note, and for the base plate, I will call this P1. And for this gusset, I will call it P2. Then when you move up, you will face these plates here. So once again, go to drawing, detail view, and draw a circle here. Make sure to include them. Then you will have this view. And we need to increase the scale a little bit. So this is 15. And now go back to annotation, note, this plate will be P3. And this one is different from that one. They are not the same, so we need to give it another name, which is P4. Now we have these back plates, and they are typical. This one, and this one, and this one here, and this one here. So all of them will have the same name. So we got to P4. Now I will select this one, and I will set the name to P5. Then I have this end cap, but I don't want it to be crowded here since it's typical between this one and this one. So I'll select this end cap and then set this to P6. Now we are done with naming the plates we have here. Then we should move to this plate and this plate. If you zoom in, there's no need to name this plate and this one because we already did here. So let me drag this a little bit down. And once again, go to drawing, detail view, select this plate. Let's have it here. And once again, go to annotation, note, and we got to P6. This should be P7. The same thing should be done here. So drawing again, detail view, since these two plates are not typical. And once again, annotation, and this should be P8.